Hello student, we see Maths 13th chapter congruence of triangles. In previous period we see the test SAS test. We see about the test SAS test, two sides and one angle. Test of the two sides and one angle. Today we study three tests SSS test बा कसोटी म्हणजे त्रिकोणाच्या एकरूपतेची दुसरी कसोटी SSS टेस्ट. देन थर्ड वन ASA टेस्ट, टू एंगल्स अँड वन साइड टेस्ट. टू एंगल्स अँड वन साइड टेस्ट. दिस इज ASA टेस्ट. को कसोटी, मराठीमध्ये याला को कसोटी असं म्हणतात. नंतर फोर्थ वन AAS टेस्ट, टू एंगल्स अँड वन साइड टेस्ट को कसोटी. आपलं टू एंगल्स अँड वन साइड. इन दिस वे SAS टेस्ट. देन द हायपोटेन्यूज साइड टेस्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज hypotenuse side test. In this way, in previous lecture we study the SAS test. Today we study SSS test with the help of the figure. Hello student, we see three corresponding sides SSS test. In this test, if for a given correspondence of the vertices of the two triangles, three sides of the one triangle are congruent with the three corresponding sides of the other triangle, the two triangles are congruent. In this figure, we see in the triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, these are equal to PQ is equal to XY. PQ is equal to XY and QR is equal to YZ and length RP is equal to length XZ. This is the SSS test. In this test, both the three sides are congruent. Both the three sides are congruent. So, X corresponding to Y, R corresponds to Z, we will notice that so triangle PQR and XYZ are congruent. Though both the sides are congruent, so these triangles, both the triangles PQR and XYZ are congruent. Then we see the second test, two angles and their included side. Two angles and their included side test. If for a given correspondence of the vertices of the two triangles, two sides and included angle of the one triangle are congruent with the corresponding two sides and the included angle of the other triangle respectively, then the two triangles are congruent. In this way, in this figure we see triangle XYZ and triangle DEF. So we see the signs of congruent. Here X congruent to D. Here side XZ congruent to DF and angle Z congruent to the F. So we see here two angles and one side is congruent. So this is ASA test. So angle side test. Two angles and one side is congruent. So this is ASA test. Length XZ is equal to length DF. Here see the sign of the congruence. Length XZ is equal to length DF. In this way, both the sides are congruent. In this way, triangle DEF, note that triangle XYZ and XYZ congruent to DEF. In the corresponding, X corresponds to D, Y corresponds to A and Z corresponds to F. In this way, both the triangles are congruent with the test ASA test. So, this is ASA test. Then, last one, angle side test or side angle test. This is the side angle test. In this test, for the given correspondence of the, look at the figure. For the given correspondence of the vertices of the two angles and the side adjacent to one of the angle not included side of the both angles are the congruent with the corresponding two angles and the side of the adjacent one of the angle not included side of the two angles respectively. This is the AAS test. In AAS test, both the angles, two angles are congruent and one side is congruent. The sum of the measures of the triangle is 180. So in the fill in the blanks, always there is the question fill in the blanks. The sum of the measures of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, if corresponding pairs of the angles of the two triangles are congruent, then the remaining pair of the angle is also congruent. Hence, the two triangles and a side adjacent to one of them are congruent with the corresponding parts of the other triangle. Then the condition is ASA test. It is fulfilled, so the triangles are congruent. म्हणजे एखाद्या त्रिकोणाचे दोन कोन जर कॉन्ग्रुएंट असेल तर तिसरा सुद्धा काय असतो, कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतो. हे AAS टेस्टमध्ये आपल्याला दिसून येतं. नंतर शेवटची टेस्ट आहे हायपोटेन्यूस साईड टेस्ट. हायपोटेन्यूस साईड टेस्ट और राईट अँगल ट्रँगल. मग ही टेस्ट कशासाठी आहे, राईट अँगल ट्रँगलसाठी आहे. तिला हायपोटेन्यूस साईड टेस्ट असं सुद्धा म्हटलेलं आहे. तर बघा, हायपोटेन्यूस साईड टेस्ट फॉर द कॉन्ग्रुएन्स ऑफ द टू राईट अँगल ट्रँगल, ऑल द थ्री टेस्ट ऑफ अबोव आर युजफुल. Besides, we can use one more test known as hypotenuse side test. If for a given correspondence of a vertices of the two right angle triangle, मग ही टेस्ट कशामध्ये असते, फक्त राईट अँगल ट्रँगलमध्ये असते. If for the given correspondence of the vertices of the two right angle triangles, one side of the hypotenuse of the other triangle is congruent with the corresponding side and the hypotenuse of the other, the two right angle triangles are congruent. म्हणजे there is a unique right angle triangle of a given side and hypotenuse, then we see that the sides of this right angle, the right angle triangle, the right angle is also congruent and both the sides are also congruent. In the triangle ABC and LMN, both the triangles are congruent because B is right angle, M is right angle and AB congruent, the AB and hypotenuse AC is also congruent. So this is the hypotenuse side test. In this way we study the hypotenuse side test. In this way we study the four tests: SAS test, SSS test, ASA test, AAS test and hypotenuse side test. These tests are useful for solving the example. See one example. See here, in each pair of the triangles the following figures parts are indicated by identical marks are congruent. These are identical marks. These two lines, these sign of the angle, these are identical marks. The indicated by identical marks are congruent. The test of congruence of a triangle is given below each figure. State the additional information which is necessary to show that the angles are congruent by a given test. So here, this is the in the solution, this is the both are the right angle triangle. These triangles are right angle. One side of the right angle triangle is congruent to other side. This is the additional information. So one side of the triangle is congruent with the other side of the triangle. This is to the other side of the triangle. In this figure, see here there is no indication of the identical mark on the hypotenuse. So we draw the indication of the congruent. The given triangles are right angle. One of the sides of the triangle is congruent with the other side of the triangle. So the additional information necessary is hypotenuse ln is congruent to hypotenuse EFE or EF. Hypotenuse. This is one of the identical information. With this information, the triangles will be congruent in the corresponding LMN corresponds to EDF. The side CA of the two triangles is common. Here side in the second figure, CA is the common side to the both the triangle DCA and triangle BAC. CA is common. So the side of the CA, look at the figure first. Here CA is identical side in the CA of the two triangles, this side is common. This side is common. So that additional necessary information, triangle DCA congruent triangle BAC. With this information, the triangles will be congruent correspondence to DCA and BAC. Then student, we solve the practice set. When we study different test of congruence, then with the help of this test we solve the example. Here WZ is the identical side. WZ is the common and identical side. The question is, in each pair of the triangle, see, look at the question first. In each pair of the triangles in the following figure, parts bearing identical marks are congruent. State that the test of congruence of the vertices which triangles in each pair are congruent. Identical mark वापरून ठरवा की कुठल्या टेस्टने हे दोघं ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे. तर याचं उत्तर आहे, हे काय आहे, ही साईड कॉन्ग्रुएंट, ही साईड कॉन्ग्रुएंट दाखवलेलं आहे, हा अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट दाखवलेला आहे आणि म्हणजेच कॉमन साईडसुद्धा काय आहे, कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे. सो the first answer is the triangles congruent by SAS test. Which test? These angles are congruent by SAS test. These are congruent by SAS test. So under the correspondence XWZ and YWZ, XWZ and YWZ, KJI, in this way, here the angle is congruent, side is congruent, this side is congruent and common side is congruent. So according to SAS test, these triangles are congruent. In this way, student, you solve the remaining parts in the practice set, 13.1. Then again we solve one of the fifth example. In the fifth example, here two triangles are congruent. Here by the identical with the signs, here these are congruent and these two sides are congruent, these two angles are congruent and here is the common side. So the triangles are congruent by SAA test. SAA test, side angle test, SAS test. In this way we solve the all example. So student, you solve 13.1 in your notebook. You solve practice set 13.1 in your notebook. Thank you.